Hey y'all, I just did a video showing this little hack I came across to remove my sticky labels. So I thought since I did that, I would show you guys what I put inside of here. If you guys don't remember, a while back I had shared this that I purchased off of Amazon. It is a photo organizer keeper. Yeah, I got it off of Amazon and I ordered it to keep my like nail stickers and you know, different things like that in. And I love that it came in all of these little different colors, so that way I'm trying to remember what I put in which, in you know, what case. I don't have them all filled up yet, but I do have a few things in them. So this first one, you can see through here, I just have like some nail stickers, some different kinds. And in this one, I have some more like nail stickers, some stencils. Let me pop it open. So I have stuff like this in this one. Just like some, you know, random stuff. I tried to keep it kind of, you know, kind of similar things in each of them. But I have plenty more to put, you know, more stuff, because I do have more than this. This isn't everything. I still have to put some stuff in it. So on this one, I have my water slide nail decals, and I also have some nail vinyls and like nail guides. So these like nail tip guides, and just a bunch of water slide decals. And I put in that one. Then in this purple one, I have my nail foils. They fit perfectly. And I think all of these are empty. So I have plenty more left for stuff. And then in the green ones, I put my stamping plates. So you can see, I have my CC and Sissy stamping plates in each of these. They were the perfect size because they're square and they fit in here really good. And I have a ton of them. So I'll show you this way. That's how many fit up to the top. And then I just put these kind of in there at an angle to fit the rest because it was only 4. And then in this one, I have the rest of my stack. A couple of these, I didn't know I had duplicates until I took them all out of the little cases that they came in. So the next time I do a giveaway, I'm going to give away the duplicates of the stamp plates that I have of these. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe now and turn on your notifications so you won't miss out on a video or a giveaway. So yeah, I think the rest of these are empty. I do have some more stamp plates that I want to put in these. I have like some little mini circle ones that I think will fit perfect, and I still have some more like nail stickers, you know, little things that fit perfectly in this. But I love it. It's perfect for storing things like that. Everything's all in one place. You just got to grab it. And when I just picked it up to show it to y'all, the handle broke. I'm so upset about it because it can't be put. The piece is, it flew back here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, there. Completely came off. It's this piece. And it broke off the other side. So now I'm going to have to figure out how to rig this on there, because picking it up with the handle was much easier. And then this is the clip. So the piece, here it goes. It flew way back there in the inside. But yeah, y'all, I love this little organizer. Like I said, it's a photo keeper storage organizer. I got off of Amazon. At the time, it was under 20 bucks. Right now, it's more. I think it's anywhere from 23 to 27. But when I found it for a really, really good deal, and I love it. So yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.